Turning to Capitol Hill, where the Boeing CEO was in the hot seat, facing not just Congress, but family members of plane crash victims. The head of the nation's largest aerospace manufacturer is under fire for safety problems and his own pay. CBS's Kris Van Cleave was at the contentious hearing.
Families who lost loved ones in the two 737 MAX crashes had harsh words for Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun ahead of the Senate hearing.
I apologize for the grief that we have caused.
Calhoun started his remarks by facing those families and apologizing before taking responsibility for those crashes and the door panel that blew out of an Alaska Airlines flight earlier this year.
Our culture is far from perfect, but we are taking action and we are making progress.
Missouri Senator Josh Hawley did not mince words.
How, if safety is a component of your $33 million compensation package, how can you possibly qualify for any of this?
The only way to course correct is to face the truth and confront the need for action.
We are responsible.
Calhoun's testimony comes just hours after a new whistleblower complaint emerged, alleging when Boeing restarted production of the 737 MAX after those two deadly crashes, there was a 300% increase in reports about parts that did not meet proper manufacturing standards. And while those parts were supposed to be removed from production and closely tracked, the 737 program was losing hundreds of non-conforming parts. Boeing employee Sam Mohawk feared that non-conforming parts were being installed on 737s, and that could lead to a catastrophic event. The document also claims when Boeing learned of a pending FAA inspection last June, many parts were moved to another location to, quote, intentionally hide improperly stored parts from the FAA.
I do know, and it followed up, that the speak up had been received in our system and that the quality team has been and is looking.
The MAX families have been calling for the Department of Justice to file criminal charges against Boeing. The agency has until July 7th to make that decision. Senator Blumenthal now says he believes the DOJ should file those criminal charges. Norah.
Kris Van Cleave, thank you.